Here we go. So we're talking about chord substitutions in our ongoing class for this beautiful song, Secret Love, that Ellen brought in. And we found in the verses that we can do chord substitutions of an A minor to a D7, or a D7 sus to a D7. So we were working on that, but right now we're going to focus in on the bridge. And we're going to take the first two chords, which are an E minor and A7, and we're turning them into an E minor 7 and an A9 by going to the 7th fret, covering all the strings. That's an E minor 7. Moving the index finger 1 fret towards the headstock, that becomes an A9. And it resolves to a D, and we found one of my secret chords for Secret Love, a little D form right up here, right in the neighborhood. It looks like an A form, like here's an A, but we're playing it where the index finger is in the 6th fret and the ring finger is in the 7th fret. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a D minor and a G. We're doing a chord substitution of a D minor 7 to a G9. Same thing as that E minor 7 to an A9, except we're just moving down 2 frets. And then we can go to a regular old C if you want. And then we have a C minor. I love this one. We're going to do chord substitution over that C minor. We're going to do a C minor 7. Same form, darlings, as that E minor 7, as that D minor 7. The C minor 7 is in the 3rd fret. We're going to turn it into an F9. This is 2 beats each in that measure. Little different time constraints in this one. And then back to the G. And then at the very end of this bridge, we have an F to an E7. Here's another idea. You're going, oh no, enough of these ideas. A B minor 7. The same form, darlings, we've been doing all along, and we turn it into an E9. Let me do this for you and see if you can play along. And what you might want to do is, with your copies, write these chord substitutions over it. So 2, 3, 4, E minor 7. A9, shout it from the, here's our open D, highest hills. Okay, D minor 7, even G9, told the golden, then a C, Daffo, C minor 7, F9, at last, my heart's an open B minor 7 door, E9, and my secret love's no secret anymore. Let's go through this one more time from that bridge. 2, 3, 4. Now I shouted from the highest hills, even told the golden daffodils, at last my heart's an open My secret love's no secret anymore. Remember, these are chord substitutions. It's your call if you want to substitute or not. But give it a whirl. They're pretty.